Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. We're back to our usual episodes this week, especially after Kevin Liang pointed out that there was no avocado footage in the last video. I'm sorry, Kevin. Let's get to the seeds. Things are progressing very slowly here. There are still no big changes, though several seeds are beginning to split, including Paul Jansen and Karis the Hat. This here is looking like it's going to survive despite being split in half, and it even looks like a shoot is developing, even though there are no roots. Hopefully it continues to survive. But at the same time, there appears to be some problems with some of the seeds. Some of the seeds appear to be rotting, and at a higher rate than I would usually expect. Parts of or whole seeds are turning black and shriveling up. I don't have an explanation as to why this is happening. I did keep these seeds refrigerated for some time before planting them. I didn't think that would be a problem, but it may be. I'm also becoming aware that they have been sitting deeper in water than previous seeds. Perhaps I have some experiments coming up to test out these hypotheses. Despite some of our seeds looking as though they will fail, we should still get some roots very soon. In the meantime, I have some questions to investigate. I hope to learn, through growing avocado trees from seed, the very best way of doing this. This may just be one step along the way of the learning I must undertake. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that we see some root development soon. If you want more regular avocado updates, follow Scott Grows an Avocado Tree on Instagram, and so make sure you are subscribed to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree on YouTube. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.